Hi everyone, this is Abdul, and today we have a very special unboxing, my newest addition to the collection. Yeah, if you were wondering why I wasn't buying a lot of watches like I used to in the past couple of weeks, is because I was saving up for this watch and I finally got it, and most probably I will be getting some other watches in the next months, but I will be slowing down my pace. So let's start by opening the bigger package. There we go. So here is the name of the shop and a nice watch, traveling pouch for one watch, which most probably I won't use that much. As you know, I always travel with more than one watch. Okay, let's see. Really well sealed. The package has to be opened. It doesn't. It's good. Good sign always. Here we go. As you can see from the green, it's a new Rolex. So we have here the Rolex Explorer. Nice, that's good. Certificate, 1 year chronometer. Tag, Rolex tag. And now for and here we go. Rolex Explorer 16570, 40 millimeters, GMT function, automatic. As you can see, it's minimally damaged. The chamfers are really well. Let's see how it looks on arm. Actually pretty well. So yeah, you can see that a bit over polished, I might say. So I'll be putting on some straps on it because I got 2 straps. So let me show you the straps that we have. So I acquired 2 straps actually for the watch. One is the rubber bee strap, cost around 250 euros with delivery. And I got a made in Germany rubber strap, which cost me 100 euros. But you have to put here the, you have to put here the, we call it in Germany, Dornschließe, or the buckle. So the pliant buckle or the normal buckle like this one. So I'll be setting up the watch, playing with it, putting it on the time grapher just to check everything up, and we'll give you another video for the straps and testing the watch and reviewing everything about the watch. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them down below. Like and subscribe. Have a great one. Bye bye.